I'm John April Flossie Mahinay, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering at Negros Oriental State University, Oriental Negros, Philippines. I'm looking for my first job, especially a mechanical engineering position. I'm highly motivated, highly trainable, hardworking, and an expert in using Microsoft Office such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. I am also capable of using AutoCAD and WordPerfect. I am flexible and capable of doing research-oriented technical reports. I am willing to work at irregular hours and any complex schedule. I am very reliable in giving technical reports, presentations, and demonstrations. I am willing to accept increasing levels of responsibility, possessing good communication and interpersonal skills for achieving better services. Hope you can lend me a job. Thank you.